Morning, guys. Um, just doing a quick recap from this morning. The trade that I took this morning. I took KBH, trying to balance it a little late on it. I was trying to see if I can get a breakout, but didn't get the breakout, so I took like a $10 hit. Wasn't big, and then I came back and pretty much nailed it on WBH. So this morning, my original trade out of the gate was WBH. Sorry about that. WBH, which is Walgreens. Basically I took this one off right out the gate pretty much, and the reason why was, let me put everything back on it. What I was looking at on WBA was this trend break pre-market, and I wanted to take it long. The reason for the long was because of earnings. I'll pretty much draw it back up so you guys can see exactly what I was looking at. So as you can see, I wanted to see this trend break. Once this trend broke right here, I just took it long. I thought we would get a pop out of it. And the reason being is, if you look at their earnings report, WBA reported third quarter earnings, May 2019 earnings of $147 per share on revenues of $34.6 billion. The estimate was 142, so therefore they beat per share. And then on the revenue was 35.5 billion. So they also beat on that. So they had two beats pretty much on both ends, and it was a beaten down stock. So if you look at the overall stock, this stock has been beaten down. So what I was looking for was a pop out of the gate. I wanted the 54.86, which it popped right into. If you look at this dotted area, that's you're looking at the bigger time frame. It's trading within the channel. So this is pretty much the top of the channel. And then also I had some resistance at 54.86. So this is why I took profits at this level, and I felt as if it was going to pull back. The KBH trade, I pretty much took a quick little scalp right into the VWAP level, just to make up for the hit I took on KBH. I was being a little stubborn. I shouldn't have bought that top like I did. I'm looking for the breakout. I didn't wait, wasn't patient. But again, we all make mistakes in trading. No one's perfect. So I did make my gains back right on this little pop right here on KBH, for the KBH hit I took. But KBH also has great earnings as well. Another one I will be watching. I do have that one on my charts right now, KBH. And with that one, they had real good earnings. But I want to see some of this gap get filled is what I'm watching. Let me go ahead and zoom out for you guys to see it. What I'm watching is I want to see some of this gap to get filled. If we break this 24.61, I think we're probably coming right back down to 24.31. See if I can get a trend break and bounce it. If not, we can continue to pull back down towards this 23.77 area. But either way it goes, I am watching this one. I would like to bounce this one to the upside. I just have to be patient and wait for the setup. And when I was saying I took this one on the bounce because I was trading Walgreens out of the gate. I switched over to KBH. I thought I was going to get a pop here. I actually took it right down here, was green. I didn't scale out or anything right into the resistance because I thought I was going to get a pop and a nice little push. But again, didn't get it, got rejected, pulled on me. And this is why I took a little $10 hit. It wasn't a big hit, just $10. And then from there, pretty much yanked. So that's why I went to Walgreens and was just trying to get a quick scalp, since Walgreens was showing me it had a nice little bounce in it. Other than that, guys, I only took two trades. I am 1 for 1 so far this morning. KBH, I will get you KBH. I just have to wait for it to show me to take that long. As of right now, to me, I don't see any long in this until it breaks that bottom. AJ did have this one on his notes. Again, he pretty much nailed it. The pop and the pull to the levels where to bounce it and where to take profits, which was pretty good. I personally was late to it because, like I said, I was trading WBA. That was my baby this morning. I think KBH, another reason why I want this one, if you look at their earnings as well, was another one that I did look at. KBH, they had pretty good earnings. I just think we have to wait for the setup in order to try to bounce this and counter trend it. So again, so Kwame is a guy who trades alongside of me from time to time. He's actually trying to bounce this now. He's up on it. I think, if I'm not mistaken, he probably took profits on this bounce. If not, he's probably waiting to get it. But he is in it. He's probably scaled in already. If it does pull on him, I think he'll add into his position and get the bounce he's looking for. KBH reported second quarter earnings 51 cents per share on revenues of 1.0 billion. The estimates was 39.39 per share on revenue of 934.84 million. So as you can see, they clearly beat. I didn't see the guidance on this one. I think they did say upside guidance on it. So everything to me personally is just positive. But this is another stock you have to look at the overall trend. Well, the recent trend has been getting a little beat down. So probably some profit taking kicking in. So what I'll do with this one is probably just be patient on it. Wait for a break and then see if I can get a bounce. Probably take, I don't think I'll probably trade no more than 200 shares on this bounce if I do try it. 100 max. No, 200 probably max 100. See if I can get 100 bucks, 150 bucks out of this one. I don't know. But that's what I'll look. But you can see the full gap up. I was pretty much buying up here. Reason why I cut it so fast because it has a whole lot of downside. So basically, if you look at the risk reward, my risk was all of this down here, and my reward was just here. So that's why I kept a tight stop on that one. But I will be watching this one. Do it fill the full gap with those numbers? I'll be shocked if it does. Again, but I just have to wait for it to show me. Take it long. I do like it here, but again, I'm not convinced just yet. I'm trying to see if I can get some. This is what I'm saying. I'm liking it. If you look at this trend, it's trying to break this trend. Haven't completely broke it. If it does break it, I think we can start getting the curl we're looking for. Until then, I will be holding off on that one. So KBH, that is one I am looking forward to play later on in the day if it continues to pull. If it does not continue to pull, then so be it. I'll be done with it. Other than that, guys, that's pretty much it for me. You guys know WBA, I took that long out of the gate, right into the resistance in the channel that it trades in. Took profits. Currently, I'm looking at KBH to see if I can get a bounce in this one for a nice little scalp. So again, guys, if you like what you're hearing, guys, please give me a like, share, whichever you feel. Other than that, guys, see you tomorrow. Stay green, and get back at it again. Take care, guys.